Welcome to this tutorial. My name is Xander. Now this tutorial is part of our Express.js Prisma ORM Query Fundamentals course. You can access this course playlist available for free on YouTube. For deeper learning, the full course is available for purchase at Udemy. Find all the resources and links in this video's description. Now don't forget to subscribe to the channel for weekly promotions, discounts, and Udemy course giveaways. Before we start building applications and interacting with our database, we need to set up the development environment. So this module will guide you through, as a new developer, installing, configuring, and introducing the essential tools that we'll use throughout this course. Right, so anyone who's new to Visual Studio Code and Docker, I will first take you through the installation guide and familiarize you with the basics of the applications. An optional step you might like to explore is to have linting and formatting tools installed to help you write code and identify issues and errors with your code, as well as ensuring that your code is consistently presented. Right, so once we've got the tooling out the way, we can then at the back end of this module start to build our Docker containers for all of the applications that we're going to be using. So Postgres database, Express, and Prisma. Those are the three main tools that we're going to be using here to build and interact with databases. Now, if you are familiar with all of this, then do just check out the source code that's connected to this module. You'll find it as a download connected to this tutorial. Just make sure that you're familiar with the code before moving on to the next module. Right, so by the end of this module, we will have all the tooling installed and we would have prepared our containers ready for us to start building our database tables in the next module.